Hi all. In today's video, we will learn about the Microsoft Fabric Copilot, which is one of the most exciting AI-powered features among the Microsoft products. As you all know, like in our daily lives, we use different AI tools, whether it is a ChatGPT or a Cloud AI or a Grook, Gemini, or anything. So Copilot is one of the tool by Microsoft which has been integrated to its products. So today we will see how this Fabric Copilot will enable the data engineers in their daily tasks. So first thing is, let us see what is Fabric Copilot. So Fabric Copilot is an AI powered integrated assistant with Microsoft Fabric. It uses Gen AI and LLMs to help users to perform data related tasks through simple natural language instructions. So it basically enables the users to interact with the data using a natural language, and it simplifies the complex data analytics tasks to some extent. So now the question is, why do we need this Fabric Copilot? So data professionals often spend a significant amount of time on repetitive activities like the writing SQL queries, creating dashboards and reports, developing ETL pipelines, cleaning and transforming data, and writing Spark code and exploring and analyzing data sets. So in order to reduce all these repetitive tasks, we have Fabric Copilot. Basically, this reduces the manual effort. This is where the productivity of the data professionals improve. So moving further, we got to know why do we need Microsoft Fabric Copilot. Now let us see where this Fabric Copilot plays an important role. So as we all know, the Copilot is available in all the Microsoft tools. It's integrated with it. So in Fabric, how is it specifically benefiting, or how it is going to help the data professionals? Here comes. So first thing is Power BI. In Power BI, we generate the reports, create visualizations, like we build DAX measures, right? All these things comes up with some kind of manual effort. So now this Fabric Copilot will help you to build the DAX queries and create visualizations and generate reports. This is going to help you in writing the queries. Now, if you want to create a dashboard for a monthly sales by region, Copilot can generate the required visualizations and the report structure for that. This is what the Copilot does for Power BI. This is how it supports or assists for the analysts who are working on reports or dashboards as their daily activities. Now, there is one more place where Copilot plays a crucial role, that is of data warehousing. So whenever a data professional is working with a data warehousing projects, they have to write multiple queries. They have to write multiple complex queries. Now, how does this Copilot reduce the writing of this complex queries, or how does it ease it? So the Copilot generates the queries. If you just give a prompt like show the top 10 customers based on the total sales of this particular region, then Copilot gives you a query that retrieves the particular information. You just have to run that query on the IDE. That's all. So that is how the Copilot assists in data warehousing activities. Apart from these Power BI and data engineering, if we deep dive into data engineering activities, Fabric is built for data warehousing and analytical capabilities, as we know that. In data engineering, specifically, if we need to talk where the Copilot helps majorly is in generating the PySpark code processing engine. So basically, whenever you want to generate a PySpark code for billions of data and have to use multiple joins or any kind of clauses in the SQL, and you want to do a complex data transformation, here is where the Copilot comes into picture. And one of the crucial part of being a data engineer is to build the pipelines. And Microsoft Fabric has something called a data factory, or we can call it as a data pipelines. The Copilot will help you to write the dynamic queries whenever you are building the pipelines and automate the ETL workflows. So as we all know, as a part of data engineer, we follow a ETL process in order to make this process smooth, or ease this process, Copilot helps in building dynamic queries. So if you want to write a dynamic query for a particular copy data activity from multiple tables, you write a dynamic prescript over there. So that is where Copilot helps you in writing those prescripts. You will implement the logic. You might know the logic, but if you just type the logic, the Copilot will give you the prescript to you, where you need to just validate and implement in your copy data activity. This is how it is going to help for data engineers or analysts. So let us see what are the benefits you get by using this Microsoft Fabric Copilot. So first thing is, obviously it is going to fasten your development process. Suppose if you're taking like 2 weeks to develop a crucial report, it might come down to 7 to 8 days. This is how you improve your productivity. So you have brought down the creation of the report from 10 days to 7 days, or 2 weeks to 7 days. Faster report creation, as I told, the report is getting generated faster because of this Copilot. And obviously the Copilot is built or inbuilt, or it's a feature in such a way that it has improved the user experience. So it's easy to use as a part of a building activity or developing activity. And major thing is, it has reduced the querying or the coding effort, especially for the developers. And keeping all those features in place, it is one of the important thing is, any beginner who wants to learn Microsoft Fabric, this is the tool which helps him to learn fast. It is easing the beginners to learn the tools faster. So at the end, taking all these things, better analysis outcomes. So this is leading to better decision makings from the stakeholder. So all these are the benefits of using a Fabric Copilot. This Copilot replace these professionals? This is a crucial question, right? The answer is no, because Copilot is only the assistant, not a replacement to any of the data professionals. Yes, it helps you to automate some of the things, or it helps you write the query, but the ultimate business knowledge, the technical expertise, and the decision making skills comes through the human potential itself. That's the beauty of the human brain. So at any point of time, Copilot or some kind of tools cannot replace any kind of data engineering activities completely. But yes, it can assist the person in reducing his manual effort, reducing his repetitive tasks, but not as a complete profession, because the data engineer or the data professionals are the one who are going to make the data speak, to get the data insights for business stakeholders to take their decisions. One more important crucial thing, whenever we use such kind of tools like Copilot or Gemini, it is always reviewed and then used in the real-time environments. It's not just generated and pushed into the real-time environment. Code generated by the Copilot needs to be tested and validated with generated outputs. So in order to validate this, a data professional is obviously required. So that is where all this professional replacement with the Copilot is not possible. So in conclusion, we can tell that in Microsoft Fabric, Copilot is an AI-powered assistant. Then it helps the users to generate SQL queries, report code, and data pipelines, ease building of data pipelines. Then it simplifies the common tasks and improves the productivity using NLP, natural language, etc. Fabric is both easier to use for both technical and non-technical users. So Fabric Copilot or a Fabric environment, what I could tell is, it is easier to use. Copilot will help the learners to improve their productivity, and if they are beginners, it is easy to catch up things easily.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.